What's going on, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers? Back with another video. We got a whole bunch of things to do today. So we're fixing those brake lines. We didn't know those were illegal because from what I got from the auto parts store, the way that we did the brake lines on Project Driver, those are illegal. And now they have a legal way of doing it, so we purchased the legal way. I'll show you how we did it. Project Driver, finishing up a few things on that. We just put the AK-47 in the trailer. We're all 8-second prep mode right now. So we're going to go see Jamie. We're going to shoot to the dyno. We're going to have some fun there. And we're going to see if we can make over 500 horsepower. Got a Wago outside that we're going to strip. I'll show you guys before we head out. And that's what we're going to use for the all-wheel drive project, which is going to be the next giveaway. So I hope you're excited. Please, as you're watching right now, shoot me a thumbs up, man. Trust me, it helps a lot with YouTube. So, yeah, without further ado, let's start this video. Keep gunning. Trappy's finishing up one line here. So he's adding a flare that's coming up. We ordered a 4-foot line. We've got another one coming. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll show you guys under the car in a little bit. But Project Driver's turning on. I know I haven't given you guys an update recently. We've got a seat in here. We've got our shifter box, steering wheel. Everything's all set up. A whole bunch of gunners sent some stuff. All these, all these plugs and stuff that we needed. We got a nice base map on here. It idles perfectly. We fixed the IAC. Power windows are all working. This car's full weight. Finally got the rims on. I haven't updated you guys in a while on this project. But yeah, we got the rims on. Big shout out to Roger. Big shout out to Elite Tire for sponsoring the tires and Roger for donating the rims. Changed this caliper today. Put a fresh Honda rebuild on there. And we also changed the front one too. So all 4 brakes are all intact. Doing the brake lines. And yeah, moving right along. This car is coming out fun. I can't wait for you guys to actually drive it, man. What do you think? We think we can go 11s in this? Stock motor? Stock TSX?
Hell yeah.
Let's do it. Oh man. Check out the Wago, man. This thing is in awesome condition. It looks great because it's wet, pause. But the sun has killed this paint. But other than that, the body's in great shape. There's only this little problem right here. It's already sold. I'm not selling it. It's already sold. But check out this interior, man. Look how clean this interior is. There's no deep scratches in the panels. Everything is super clean, super neat. I love it, man. I drove it here with the dealer plate. It's all-wheel drive, obviously. We're just taking off the rear diff, and we're taking off the viscous coupler. But I wanted to show you guys this interior before we get rid of it. So tomorrow we'll put it on a lift and take off whatever we need. We're not going to remove the back spindles because we don't need them. We're using the FCS all-wheel drive kit. But seriously, in the comments, talk to me about this interior, man. Holy smokes. Holy cow. So this is the only flaw, dude. The only flaw in the entire interior. Check how this thing turns on, too. Check how this thing turns on, man. This thing's great. Check this out. Everything works. Power steering, AC, heat, the radio. Oh my god. Look at this thing idle. 129,000 original miles. No check engine light. This thing is crazy crispy. Look at this. Awesome. We gotta strip it. Hey guys, I'm sorry about the misinformation that we used on the last video with this. I didn't know that it was incorrect. Like, I didn't know that that wasn't a safe thing to do, and I push for safety. You guys know that. So I apologize about that old content. This is the correct way to do it. You get a new line, and the old line you flare, and then add the fittings in between to create the union. Not the way that I did it last time with the brake line up there. So this is actually the correct way. So the factory line gets flared, and then the new line that you bend and shape gets flared, and then you add the brake line fitting. So we're finishing up this part of the brake line system right now, and we're looking like we're in good shape. So one more line and we're completely done. We swapped out these calipers right here and put some fresh ones in because they were seized up. So now it's all smooth, and this car is underway, man. Thank you everyone that's been showing love to the build. Killer inside. Killer inside. Truck all loaded up. Got the white today. So soon we're gonna hit the road, spend a few hours with Jamie, and then get the tuning under the way. Okay guys, so little bad news here. Hold on, let me get this lighting right. Why so dark? Let me get this lighting right. Okay, so we made a pit stop to Buffalo Wild Wings in Connecticut, in Milford, Connecticut. And we figured you can't mess up Buffalo Wild Wings, right? You can't do it. Connecticut by far has the worst food in America. They fucked up Buffalo Wild Wings. They gave Trappy 21 wings of the same flavor.
Fucking who's the
My wings were the size of turkey legs. The GMO, HMO, HIV that was pumped into those wings was ridiculous. So my statement remains true. All you Connecticutians, you guys don't know real food till you come to New York. Jova, I love you, but eat shit. Over and out. All right, folks, we're at the dyno. Car's not in here no more. We had a little malfunction with the fuel system. We had to weld up a fitting that was actually leaking, so we're all set now. So strapping up the car. This is all Trap and Jamie do is argue all day. It's all they do is argue. That's Kenny. Everybody knows Kenny.
What's up, guys? It does not matter. You can make it fucking 600 pounds lighter. How are you gonna defy physics?
See?
And go could have been more than like 600 pounds. Couldn't have been more.
Kenny getting the job done.
Because when we waited with all the liquids in it, without me in the car.
Coils on.
And I weighed 200 pounds.
Oh yeah, baby.
And I literally
Oh
got
yeah, it's power time, power time.
And I was at 10,800.
Megatron.
Hit the limiter and let off, and the car went 80. Correct. This is gonna be
Nah.
what my car was.
Nah.
A little heavier than what my car was.
Nah. Yeah. So a little baseline on M1, just to get the air fuels right. Double check the car, and then we pour in the nitro. So yeah, still baselining on M1. It's sad when that's not enough power nowadays, right? Like you're disappointed at that. It's making power all the way through though. So it's our last pull on M1, and then we'll swap over to the nitro. We added some tire pressure, trying to help it out a little bit, so here we go. Flush the M1 out with a little bit of nitro. Now we pour the 50/50 in. This thing's heavy. Good. That shit's heavy, man.
Just weak, bro.
Now we swap out these plugs for the nitro. Plug. Steven Spielberg behind the camera. Steven Spielberg behind the camera.
Hating on the
BD.
frames, yeah.
BD Lefty.
Hating on the frames, Trappy, here.
Why you doing that?
Just because I don't want to drop them in there.
Why don't you use the socket? Why I always got to be the brains of the operation, my
Because he
nigga?
was using it. Because he was using it, nigga. Relax.
How many plugs you got left? I got
All
four out.
All four.
Why I gotta be the smart one here, man? Is my brain bigger than yours?
Hell no.
My
Definitely.
brain's not bigger than yours.
No.
You serious? Oh, I'm dead serious. I'm dead serious right now.
Definitely not. Definitely not, Trap.
Picking up Einstein to try to match mine up. Dig this fucking old geezer up. Oh, chill, watch it. The feds watch it. The feds. Whoa, boys. This thing's spinning. We gotta get some better tires. Yeah, I know, true lug nuts. Let's hear it in the comments. I had to swap rims because of the spin. So, Jamie had some BF Goodriches. Real tall tire. What is that, 235, Trappy? Looks like a 235, bro. Yeah, that's a 235. Hopefully try to control some of the spin. We'll lose a couple of horsepower, but it won't spin. I'll deal with that. Yo, gun motor don't look too bad on the AK.
No, not too bad.
Yeah, so we're done on the dyno. The tires are actually rubbing against the fuel cell, and if we put the old ones back on, it's gonna spin. So we're at 515 horsepower, give or take. It, Jamie says it's about 530 with that big rub on this tire. So 530 out the can. We'll go to the track Sunday. He'll mix up some bigger percentage, and we'll see what the car can do. So we ended up taking off some chunk of this tire, and it was rubbing right there on the fuel cell and the brace for the fuel cell. Sucks, man. What do you think, Chuck? Could have made some big jam today, right?
That should make good power. That's good.
Great power. Hell yeah. Can't wait to get to the track. Can't wait.